Hey, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create an on-demand webinar. On-demand webinars are one of the most powerful things in marketing right now because if you want to let someone view a webinar of yours, you don't actually have to be sitting there giving a webinar at all hours of the day and night. You can record it one time and create a webinar and send this person the link. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly right now how to create your on-demand webinar with Automatic Lead Tools. So you click On Demand and bring you to this page and click Create New Webinar. All right, now the first setting it's asking you is if you want it to play all the time. So anytime someone clicks on your link, do you want it to be available to be viewed? Or do you want to choose different days and times for this webinar to play? It can play every Sunday at 5 p.m. if you want. All right, it can play every single day at 5 p.m. It can play whenever you want. You set it. If it comes to a time when it's not available or not playing at that time, it would give that person a countdown of when the next available viewing time is. That way it looks as if you're going to be there at a certain time to give that presentation. All right, so you can click whenever you want. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to click play all the time, just so when we're done, we can view it. All right, I'm going to uncheck all of these and just click play all the time. That way, like I said, when we're done making this webinar, we can look at it. All right, so the next is we have to include our video. Now, this has to be a direct link to an MP4 video. You can host the video. This is not like uploading a YouTube video. That will not work. You can host on your own server, on your own website, or you can use Amazon's web servers at AWS. So Amazon Web Service. Now, if you want to use that, we have a different tutorial teaching you how to start an AWS account and what all you'll need and how to get your MP4 links. Now, I've got one copied, so I'm going to actually use it right here, and that's what one looks like. Okay, and let me create a height. Let's see, a height and a width. All right. And allow video control. So if I wanted them to look like it was an actual webinar and they're viewing something live, obviously no, I don't want them to have controls. I do not want them to have the ability to pause or rewind. I want them to watch the presentation. If you want them to be able to view and record and watch and rewind, you can click yes, but that'd be like a recorded webinar or a replay. This is going to look live, so we're going to put no. All right, so web page title, what do you want to be at the top of your web page? Automatic Lead Tools, the best ever. Something like that, just something silly, doesn't matter. Whatever you want to put at the top of your web page. I'll show you what's going to be there, and then you can choose what you want to be on yours. All right, so your web page background color, you can choose it. I'm going to choose something that has to do with Automatic Lead Tools, so I'm going to choose our green color. A little darker, let's see, right there. All right, or you can click here for backgrounds. If you have a background like, oh, I want to say make money from the beach. Choose one of these. Make money while on vacation. Whatever. If you want to sell certain products like fitness products, there's some backgrounds for fitness. Weight loss, gold. If you're selling GBO, we have you some stuff in there to sell GBO. I know it's a popular thing these days. Just different backgrounds. All right. So let's choose one of these cars. Pretty cool car. All right. So I just actually copy this here. All right. Click out of it and use that as my background URL. That's it. Copy the image, copy the link, and paste it in. All right, so you can change the center background color. I'm going to make all these different so you see what they are and where they are on the page. They don't match one bit, but it shows you where they are. Our countdown clock can be any color you want. We'll make it that color. What the countdown clock is if you wanted to let the person say, hey, sign up now, and it was like 5 minutes into the video, you could set the countdown for 5 minutes. And that's when your call to action or your register now button will be in. All right. If you have a logo, you can use it here. your redirect URL. So I want to use my HTTP automatic lead tools.com. Right, my redirect button, I want to be join now. And I want to delay the button the number of seconds. Let's delay it just 10 seconds so you can see it. Now that's it. I've created this entire webinar right now. So I'm going to click Create Webinar. Web page title cannot contain special characters. Okay, so I added the dash. I think you can have exclamation points. Let's see. No. Look that out. Automatic lead tools, the best ever. Create webinar. So here it is. All right, so let's actually look at it. We click to play all the time, so here it is. So you can see all the colors that we chose.
In this video, I'm going to explain
are all over the page.
For automatic
so within 10 seconds, we should have a button at the bottom.
It's automatic lead tools. Costs $497.
There it comes.
And then $97 per month.
All right, so now you see Join Now.
Software and your membership.
So you can see all these colors on the page.
$497.
Go ahead and turn that off. You can see all the colors on the page for what we chose down here. So obviously you make them match, and you can make them look very, make it look just fantastic webinar very easily. And if you want to edit it, like we didn't like that blue that was on there, so we just changed it to that green color. Okay, so update webinar, and then we'll go back and look at it again.
Hello.
Let's change to
In this
that.
video, I'm going to explain the compensation plan for automatic lead tools. First thing.
So just that simple. Save that background. I don't like it. All right, so let's edit it again, and let's take the background out. Okay, take that background image out and just have a background color. All right, and actually make it. Say we want this color. Copy that little code and paste it in here to be the same there. All right, and we want our countdown clock to be red. Make it stand out. So let's update that. Check it out. You can see this is very quick and easy. So now it's all video. No background image, just that simple
automatic lead
color.
First thing that you need to know is that automatic lead tools costs $497.
So as you can see, it's very, very simple to change a webinar. Let's say we want the delay to be gone. All right, and I want them to be able to join right away. So take that delay time and delete it. And instead of join now, apply now. Update. Click it again. Apply now.
In this video, I'm going to explain the
So as you can see, the changes happen just instantaneous. So let's edit it one more time. Let me show you what if it was to only play at one time of day, and that be 6 p.m. Well, when I'm recording this right now, it's actually 2:15 p.m. So if we click 6:15 p.m., update webinar, and we go to it, as you can see, it doesn't start for another 3 hours, 43 minutes, and 56 seconds. So people think that I'm actually coming back in 3 hours, 43 minutes, and now 50 seconds to give this presentation. All right? So if I wanted to, invite them to see my webinar, I'd simply copy that and paste it into the email I'm sending them and say, hey, join me at this webinar tonight at 6 o'clock. I'll be there live. And that's it. And you can tell them you have chat turned off. We're not answering questions right now. We're simply giving you our presentation. Things like that. And it can be your on-demand presentation that can play anytime you want, all the time, without you having to be there every day, all day. And that is how you make money while you're on vacation, truly, because you can be wherever you want at any point in time, and your webinar is playing when it's supposed to play. So that's how you create an on-demand webinar here with Automatic Lead Tools. It's very, very simple. It also keeps up with your hits, so raw hits and unique hits. 0 unique because it was just me every time. Anytime someone watched it, it counts you one here, here, and here, and then it sends them to the link that you have set up. All right, so that's it for creating an on-demand webinar. Please refer to the AWS training to learn how to get the MP4 files and to use Amazon Web Services. and then use your webinars. You can create as many as you want. You can have 150 if you want. As many webinars as you want made for your business. So create a lot and market a lot, and this particular feature will definitely help increase your business. Take care.